Did you know that nearly 80% of people experience yellow teeth at some point in their lives? Or maybe you've felt a little embarrassed flashing that smile because of bad breath. Yeah, it happens to the best of us. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: natural remedies to get rid of yellow teeth and bad breath. Let's be real, having a bright smile and fresh breath can totally boost your confidence and improve your overall health. So, let's get into it. So, what causes those pesky yellow teeth and that not so pleasant breath? Well, it can be a mix of things. Our diets play a huge role. Think coffee, tea, red wine, and even those sugary snacks we can't resist. Then there's smoking, which can really stain those pearly whites. And let's not forget about lack of dental care. Skipping out on brushing and flossing can lead to bad breath and discoloration. If you've ever felt self-conscious because of your smile or breath, you're definitely not alone. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven, according to a Harvard scientist. Swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.